Now you can see this is a very important LAQ. Find the equation of direct common tangents to the circles. Two circle equations are given to us. So first let us write down the given circles. Given circles are, we name the first circle as S. So x square plus y square plus 22x minus 4y minus 100 is equal to 0. And the second circle we name it as S dash. So S dash is x square plus y square minus 22x plus 4y plus 100 equals to 0. Let's say this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So from first equation we find g. G is half of coefficient of x, that is 11, and f is half of coefficient of y, that is minus 2, and c is minus 100. After getting GFC, we find center. So center is given by minus g comma minus f. So center 1 is minus 11 comma 2. Now we find radius. Radius formula is root over g square plus f square minus c. That is root over 121 plus 4 minus of minus becomes plus 100. That is root 225, which is equal to 15. So which implies R1 is equal to 15. After getting the first radius, we take second equation now. From second equation, G is minus 11, F is 2, and C is 100. So center is 11 comma minus 2. As we know, center formula is minus G comma minus F. Now radius is root over G square plus F square minus C. That is root over 121 plus 4 minus 100, which is equal to 125 minus 100 is 25, which is equal to 5, which implies R2 is equal to 5. So we got R1 is equal to 15 and R2 is equal to 5. After finding C1, C2 and R1, R2, we will find distance between the centers, that is C1 and C2. So what is the distance formula? Root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So that is root over. Now I am applying distance formula between the two centers. Minus 11 whole square plus 2 plus 2 whole square, which is equal to minus 11 is minus 22. Minus 22 whole square is 484 plus 2 is 4. 4 square is 16. So that is root 500. And what is R1 plus R2? R1 plus R2 is 15 plus 5. That is 20. So 20 can I write it as root 400. So if you compare C1, C2 and R1 plus R2, you can see C1, C2 is greater than R1 plus R2. So what can you conclude over here when C1, C2 is greater than R1 plus R2? Circles lie outside each other. Circles lie outside each other completely. Now we need to draw the figures. So both the circles are far apart. And now this is a question of direct common tangents. So we get a tangent from outside. And this is the point of contact. This is center 1, this is center 2. And if we join them, this is R1 and this is R2. Can you see? C1, C2 is greater than R1 plus R2. See, this is R1 and this is R2. So C1, C2 is ultimately greater than R1 plus R2. Okay. Now you can see the figure. Let P be the point of contact. So P is the external center of similitude. Okay. So P divides C1, C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2. What is R1 is to R2? 15 is to 5. So 5 ones are 5 threes are. So that is 3 is to 1 externally. Why did we write externally? Because the point is lying outside the circles. So whenever point divides externally, we take section formula with a minus sign. So mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. So we take 3 and 1 as m and n, and both the centers we take x1 y1 and x2 y2. So what is the first center? Minus 11 comma 2, and the second center is 11 comma minus 2. So we take these as x1 y1 and x2 y2. So that is, what is m? 3. 3 into 11 minus 1 into minus 11 by 3 minus 1, comma 3 into minus 2 minus 1 into 2 by 3 minus 1. So that is 33 plus 11 by 2 minus 6 minus 2 by 2. So that is 44 by 2 minus 8 by 2. So the point of contact is 22 comma minus 4. Now we need to find out equation of pair of direct common tangents. So we have a formula for this. Equation of pair of direct common tangents is S into S11 is equal to S1 square. So it is very important to understand what is S, what is S11 and what is S1. So S is the circle equation. Any one circle equation you can take. And S11 is, just now you got point of contact, right? This point, if you substitute in that circle equation, you get S11. And S1, there is a formula, I will write it down. So first, let's begin with this formula. In the place of S, I will write the first circle equation. X square plus y square plus 22x minus 4y minus 100 into, in the place of S11, in the same circle which I have written, I am substituting the point of contact. That is 22 comma minus 4. So we get 22 square plus minus 4 square plus 22 into 22 minus 4 into minus 4 minus 100 is equal to, so here this is one single step. Okay, from here till here it is one single step. Now S1, what is S1? We have a formula in circles chapter or system of circles. Wherever you are coming across S1, we use the same formula. What is the formula? Xx1 plus yy1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c whole square. This is the formula we are going to apply. So from here to here, this is one single statement. Because it is not fitting in one single line, I use two lines. Understood? Now, x square plus y square, first bracket I am writing as it is. And the second bracket I am solving now. 22 square is 484 plus minus 4 square is 16 plus 22 into 22 is 484 plus 16 minus 100 is equal to, now I am continuing here. Now again in the place of x1 and y1, we write 22 and minus 4. So x into 22 plus y into minus 4. Now what is g from this circle equation? Half of x coefficient. So g is 11 plus 11 into x plus 22. What is f? Half of y coefficient. Minus 2 into y minus 4. And c is minus 100. So over here in this circle equation, you have minus 100. So we take c as minus 100. Don't take plus 100. This whole square. Okay. Now next step is again first circle, first bracket we are writing as it is. Now the second bracket we are solving. See, 484 plus 16 is 500. Again 484 plus 16 is 500. 500 plus 500 is 1000. 1000 minus 100 is 900. Is equal to, this is 22x minus 4y plus 11x. What is 11 into 22? It's 242 minus 2y plus 8 minus 100 whole square. I hope it is clear to you. So the left hand side part I am not disturbing now. I am writing as it is. And now right hand side we need to solve. 22x plus 11x is 33x. Minus 4y minus 2y is minus 6y. 242 plus 8 is 250. 250 minus 100 is 150. Now again left hand side I am not disturbing. I am writing as it is. Now from right hand side if I take 3 common, over here if I take 3 common you have whole square. So 3 if it comes out it becomes 9 because 3 square is 9. So we are left over with 11x minus 2y plus 50. In the bracket I took 3 common, but if I bring 3 outside the bracket it becomes 9 because you have whole square over there. Understood? Now we can cancel 9 and 9 ones are 9 hundreds are. So now I'll write it down. What am I left over with? So x square plus y square plus 22x minus 4y minus 100 into 100 equals 11x minus 2y plus 50 whole square. Now left hand side I multiply this whole bracket with 100. So we get 100x square plus 100y square plus 2200x minus 400y minus 10,000 is equal to. Now here I apply a plus b plus c whole square formula. So a square. So over here a is 11x, b is minus 2y and c is 50. And we use a plus b plus c whole square formula. So what is the formula? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This is the formula we are going to apply now. So a square is 11x whole square. So that is 121x square plus b square is minus 2y whole square. So 4y square and c square is 50 square 2500 plus 2ab. 2ab means 2 into 11x into minus 2y. So minus 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 11 is 44. 44xy. Now again you have a minus. 2 into 2 is 4. Or else 50 into 2 is 100. 100 into 2 is 200. So this is 200y. And then 2ca, that is 2 into first term into last term. So 50 into 2 is 100. 100 into 11x is 1100x. So we got 1100x. Now we bring all terms one side. So we bring left hand side to right hand side. So here you have 121x square, 100x square. So if I bring 100x square that side, it will become minus. So 121 minus 100 is 21x square. The same way 4 minus 100 is minus 96. So it is minus 96y square. Then I write minus 44xy. Now 1100x minus 2200x is minus 1100x. Now minus 200y plus 400y is plus 200y. 2500 plus 10,000 is plus 12,500. This is the final answer. This is pair of DCT.